Good morning, America. I think I stole that line, but it doesn't matter. It is springtime for most of us, at least down here in the South, and it is time once again to clean those solar screens. Now I'm going to remind you just how easy it is and how important it is as well. Today I'm going to use some just plain old Dawn soap. Normally I like to use soap that's scented with lemon because once you've rinsed that off, the mosquitoes will stay away for about a week or so while that lemon scent is on your foundation, in your flower beds, on your grass. But today I'm going to use Dawn soap. Of course, down here below I've got a little mop bucket that my wife uses in the house. I put some soap in there with some fresh water, and of all things, just my kitchen broom. That's it. Go ahead and stick that in there. I'm going to give this a quick rinse. As you can see, over the winter months, spider webs, dust, pollen, all of that stuff has gotten on my solar screen. Ew, and it looks like even maybe a mess from a bird. So bear with me, we're going to clean this together. And folks, I'm going to encourage you to do this at least twice a year. We live backed up on 100+ acres behind us. We have trees, we have so much pollen. Man, I tell you what, there's yellow on the ends of our nose. There's so much pollen. Twice a year if you can. Guess I better be careful. I'm going to get the camera all wet. So I'm going to give it a good rinse. Just to knock off the dust and the pollen, spider webs. Oh yeah, Ben. Now the good thing is, because I'm not using high pressure, I'm not in any fear at all of damaging my solar screen. So you still want to stay away from using high pressure water real close. But because I'm using low pressure, I can get really close to my screen, which means any dust, pollen, dust, dirt, whatever that got through the screen and onto that glass is now being washed out at the bottom. So I think that's rinsed out pretty good. Now I'm going to just get my trusty mop bucket and I'm going to take my shoes off. Because I don't mind getting a little messy. So just a nice little scrubby. That's it, guys. We're going to do this. Like I said, if you can do it at least twice a year, that would be exciting. And you have nothing to worry about. Great thing about solar screens, no matter which brand you bought, whether it's Pfeiffer, whether it's Twitchell, or whether it's a soon-to-be on the market one, oh, I forgot the name of it already. Lock. Oh man, you guys are going to love this new solar screen that's getting ready to come out. But no matter which version you bought or which manufacturer you bought, it's all the same thing. Mold, mildew, and fading will not happen, especially the molded mildew. It will not grow on this material. And we do get questioned, hey, is this mold or is this mildew? And you look at it and you go, no, that's pollen or dust. Because we have so much moisture in our air up here. Now the good thing is, when you do this to your home, I'm going to have my cameraman veer over here to the AC, and this is also a great time to just kind of rinse off, I don't know, grass or whatever that gets on those coils. Because obviously, any AC guy you talk to will tell you, if your coils are clean, your efficiency is better. And quite frankly, at this day and age, anything we can do to keep our bills lower, woo-hoo, man, consider it done. And I know we're getting off topic by playing with the AC, but also, folks, this is a good time to check the caulking around your windowsills, your panes, all of that good stuff. Make sure your wood's not rotting. This is a good time to just do some good home improvement. Let me give this a rinse and we'll cut you loose. Oh yeah, that screen looks brand new, baby. And you know, technically, we started this company way back in 2004. Almost, well, over 18 and a half years. I'm going to say almost 2 decades. So I like to pick on my wife when I say almost 2 decades. And she's like, but it's only been 11 years. Ah, it's almost 2 decades. Close enough. But seriously, 18 years. And to know that solar screens, if you just give them a little love, will last you a lifetime, you have nothing to worry about. Same thing now with my AC unit. Oh yeah, look at that, it's brand new. I barely touched it. Dawn soap's good for the environment. It will not hurt your grass. You know, obviously the folks down there, whenever we have a spill in the ocean, they use Dawn soap to help the little critters down there in the water, ducks and fish and stuff. We know it's a good product. But that's it. So it is that time of year. Rinse them off. Plain soap, a little bit of a brush, low pressure water. Never use a power washer. That's That's it, and they're gonna last you guys a good lifetime. King of Solar Screens, of course, I'm Randy. WindowScreenManufacturers.com. Feel free to always send us a question, a message, a thought. Send me a mean email. Well, don't do that, but if you need to. info@windowscreenmfg.com. You guys have a wonderful spring, great summer to come. Woo! I've got about 40 more windows to wash, so you guys enjoy.